Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. On today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to make omena. So we're going to fry some dry fry omena. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. And by the way, these omena are so crunchy and delicious. You'll start by sorting the omena. The reason for that is to remove any dirt you'll find in the omena. After that, you're going to wash them using hot water. So you're going to pour in hot water and let it settle for about 10 minutes before you rinse the hot water. After 10 minutes, you're going to remove the water from the omena. Then you're going to add another water so that you can wash for the second time. But this time, you're going to add some warm water, not hot water. Then you're going to wait for another like 2 minutes. By the way, omenas are so nutritious and good for your brain. If you haven't taken omenas before, I'll suggest you try out this recipe. So after you have rinsed off the water, you're going to pat them dry using a kitchen cloth. After that, you're going to add some salt to taste. You can also add some other spices if you wish, and also ginger and garlic paste. Then you're going to give it a mix and your omena will be ready for frying. On heated oil, you're going to fry in your omena, so make sure your heat is on medium. Then you're going to fry them until they're crispy and golden brown. You'll keep on turning the omena so that they can cook evenly to avoid them getting burnt. And guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I don't take you for granted. And for that reason, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. So you'll continue to turn them as shown. You'll fry the omena until they are crispy as shown in this video. So you're going to remove them and set them aside. As you can see, our omena turned out so well and they were so crunchy and delicious. You can eat this with some kachumbari and ugali, and you can also store them in an airtight container as shown in this video, and you can take them for about 1 week. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.